Hello, welcome to speedearning.in and m6calls.co.in. Today I am giving you a very simple hedging to be repeated daily without any problem. Today we are discussing the hedging of zinc mini and lead mini. So generally zinc mini and lead mini are the part of base metals. They don't move whole day, and after global market opening, after global market opening in evening, after 7 p.m. there are sudden movements. So I suggest you to go for hedging twice a day with 25 paisa stop loss. So how to decide that which metal to be sold and which metal to be bought? So you just go to the screen, see lead mini, zinc mini, and the commodity index is marginal minus 3 point, lead mini 0.42%, zinc mini 0.44%, means almost same percentage change is there. Now you just see FI 2600 buyer and 3000 seller in lead mini, and 1300 buyer and 1100 seller in zinc mini. So zinc mini buyers are more. So I would suggest you to go for hedging at 7:29 p.m. Buy zinc mini here with 25 paisa stop loss and sell lead mini with 25 paisa stop loss. So there is total risk of 500 rupees only. Sometimes it may be possible that due to data or sudden movements, there may be a sudden fluctuation is there, and it may be possible that one side SL hit and you are waiting, and the another side SL hit after 30 minutes. So you can repeat the same hedging at 8:40 p.m. First of all, I told you to make the hedging at 7:29 p.m. and at 8:40 p.m. you can repeat the same hedging. You just check the buyers and sellers percentage change and above ATP or below ATP status. So zinc mini is above ATP, ATP is 125.96 and it is running 126.1. So it is above ATP. And in lead mini, it is on the ATP. 131.71 is the ATP and it is running 131.70. So you can buy zinc mini, sell lead mini. The total risk in both the strategy will be less than 1000 rupees, and whenever there is a sudden movement, the movement will be 1 to 2 point. So I suggest you to keep a selling order at 1.5 point. So at 1.5 profit margin, you just put a selling order. Sometimes suddenly in zinc mini and lead mini there is a sudden move and it comes down again to a normal average level. So if you are having a prior order, you will book the profit easily. So you can use this strategy frequently. अभी थोड़ा सा मैं आपको हिंदी में समराइज कर दूं कि हमने लीड मिनी जिंक मिनी का हेजिंग यहाँ पे आपको सजेस्ट किया है. तो आप एक बार हेजिंग करेंगे 7:29 पे 7:29 पे, और एक बार करेंगे 8:40 पे, और यहाँ पे चेक कर लेंगे कि जो एटीपी के ऊपर है, जिसके बायर्स ज़्यादा हैं उसकी बाइंग करेंगे. जैसे आज जिंक मिनी के बायर ज़्यादा हैं, एटीपी के ऊपर है, इसमें बाइंग की 25 पैसे का स्टॉप लॉस लगाया. लेड मिनी के सेलर ज़्यादा हैं, वो एटीपी से थोड़ा सा नीचे उसकी सेलिंग की कंपेरेटिवली बिग है, उसमें 25 पैसे का स्टॉप लॉस लगाया. टोटल 500 रुपये का रिस्क है, जिसमें आपको कम से कम 1000 से 2000 रुपये के प्रॉफिट के पूरे चांसेस होते हैं. तो ये एक चीज़ आप रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं, और आप देख सकते हैं कि आने वाले 20 दिनों में, आने वाले 10 दिनों में क्या रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं, और जो गलतियाँ हो रही है उसको हमसे डिस्कस करके चीज़ों को कम्प्लीटली सीख सकते हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय.